Unlock the power of glycerin for your hair.
Hello, haircare enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an often overlooked but incredibly beneficial ingredient that could be the game changer for your hair: glycerin. Glycerin is a simple, yet highly versatile compound found in many hair products, and for good reason. So, what exactly are the benefits of applying glycerin on hair?
What is glycerin?
Before we jump into the benefits, it's essential to understand what glycerin is. Glycerin, also known as glycerol, is a clear, odorless liquid derived from plant oils like palm, coconut, or soy. It's a humectant, which means it attracts and locks in moisture, a key reason why it's so beneficial for hair care.
How does glycerin benefit your hair?
Now, let's delve into the main benefits of glycerin for your hair. Hydration and moisturization at the top of the list. Glycerin significantly hydrates your hair. By attracting moisture from the environment and sealing it into your hair, glycerin can help combat dryness, giving you soft, supple, and hydrated locks. Scalp health. Glycerin is also fantastic for the health of your scalp. It can help alleviate dry and itchy scalp issues, thanks to its moisturizing properties. Moreover, it has a cooling effect which may soothe scalp irritation. Frizz control. Tired of frizzy hair? Glycerin can come to your rescue. It helps in smoothing the hair cuticles, which results in reduced frizz and tangles. Hence, your hair remains manageable and easy to style. Strength and shine. Lastly, regular use of glycerin can help strengthen your hair over time, reducing the likelihood of breakage and split ends. And who doesn't love shiny hair? Glycerin helps in enhancing the natural shine of your hair.
How to use glycerin for hair?
Applying glycerin to your hair is a straightforward process. 1. Mix a solution of equal parts glycerin and water. Optionally, you can add a few drops of essential oils for fragrance and additional benefits. 2. Spray or apply the mixture evenly to your hair and scalp. 3. Let it sit for a few hours or ideally, overnight. 4. Rinse it off using a mild shampoo. Remember, while glycerin is generally safe, everyone's hair reacts differently. Always perform a patch test before fully applying any new product to your hair. And there we have it, folks, a complete rundown on the power of glycerin for your hair. From hydration to frizz control to adding that extra shine, glycerin truly is a versatile addition to your hair care routine. We hope this video has enlightened you about this amazing compound. Until next time, stay fabulous.